Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Yunita Salsabila. I'm a student of English Education Department of UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. So today I want to promote a textbook reference. The title is What Teacher Needs to Know About Learning Difficulties by Peter Westwood. And so this book was published on 2008 by Australian Council for Educational Research with 113 pages. And okay, now information about the author. Peter Westwood is a session educator and author with extensive experience in teaching and special education. He has taught in primary, secondary, and special school for over 30 years, including roles in Australia, Hong Kong, and England. And first, I will explain about the book is What Teachers Needs to Know About Learning Difficulties by Peter Westwood. And this book discusses how to identify and overcome learning difficulties in students. This book emphasizes the importance of early intervention to prevent continued failure. In addition to effective strategy, the book of address related social and behavioral issues. With this guide, teachers can find positive solutions to support their student development. Okay, this book consists of 6 chapters. In the first chapter about current perspective on learning difficulties. This chapter discuss the definition, causes, and strategies for overcoming learning problems, as well as the difference between general and specific learning problems and the role teachers in helping students. And then chapter 2 about effective consequence of learning difficulty. In this chapter, explain the emotional impact of learning difficulties, motivation theories such as attribution, expectancy value, and self-efficacy, as well as how teacher help increase student self-esteem and self-confidence. Chapter 3 about early identification and intervention. And in this chapter, review early identification and intervention for children with learning difficulties, as well as effective screening and intervention methods. In chapter 4 about social and behavioral issues. In this chapter discuss about social and behavioral problems of students with learning difficulties, social skill training, and creating a positive classroom environment. In chapter 5 about teaching students with learning difficulties. This chapter discuss about teaching methods, including curriculum structuring, practice opportunities, student participation, and feedback, and the last interactive group teaching, and strategy training. And the last chapter about accommodating and supporting students with learning difficulties. In this chapter, review strategies for supporting students with learning difficulties, curriculum adaptation, teaching methods, increasing academic engagement time, and the last, increasing student for self-confidence. And the next is the strength of this book is the strength of this book is its holistic and practical approach to dealing with learning difficulties in students. And this book covers various important aspects such as early recognition, effective intervention, and teaching strategies that can be directly applied in the classroom. And in addition, this book also discuss the emotional and social impact of learning difficulties and provide guidance for increasing student self-esteem and self-confidence. And with clear, detailed explanation and real-life example, this book is an invaluable research for teachers to help students with various types of learning difficulties. I think this book is good for English language education student, and this book is good for English teachers because I think this book provides a comprehensive and practical guide for teacher in identifying and overcoming learning difficulties in students. And in this book not only discuss the theory and cause of learning problems, but this book also offers concrete strategies and effective teaching methods. And addition, the emphasis on early recognition and intervention, and as well as attention to emotional and social aspect of student, which is make this book very relevant and useful for teacher. And this book also covers various approaches and tips for creating a positive and supportive learning environment, thereby helping students research their full potential. So maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you next video.